Struggling to get approved on Warrior Plus. Over at Warrior Plus, there are quite a few good products that you can promote as an affiliate. And in this video, I want to show you a few things that you can do to improve your chances. And then at the end of the video, I'm going to show you a 100% way to get approved to start promoting some high quality products. Now, understand when you go to the affiliate offers page and you're scrolling down through here, there are some things that you can do to improve your chances. First and foremost, when you click on the request button and it takes you over to the actual offer page, and then you click here to request your approval. When this little pop-up request notes section pops up on your screen, fill this out with who you are, how you're going to promote the offer by leaving a little bit about the strategy you're going to use to promote the offer so the vendor, the creator, the owner of the product knows that you're serious. Now, you probably already know about your vendor profile or your profile on Warrior Plus. You need to put a picture, a real picture of yourself. Then we start earning your badges, of course, that's going to help. But put your name, get your ID verified, say a little bit about who you are. For example, 30-minute marketing at YouTube. They now know that they can check me out on YouTube and see that I am a real person and I'm taking this serious. But something that you may not know about or understand quite yet is under your account. So if you come over here to your account and you go under my account, you go under your account summary, it has some information about you. Now, you may not be a vendor yet, but you have a vendor score. This number is important. But to be an affiliate, before you start getting affiliate badges like the top 5% affiliate badge that I have here, what you need to do is build up your score. Now, that comes from first getting approved to promote. So it's a little bit of the chicken and the egg, but you need to understand that once you achieve a score like this score right here of a 76, it allows you then to be auto approved. The next thing you can do is have a proven strategy. Now, inside of my Affiliating Profitable Online Business 9-step roadmap, I have my proven top strategy of generating traffic to an offer. Of course, the super simple lead magnet here is what you're going to use to let people know about the offer that you're trying to promote on Warrior Plus. And of course, your goal is to build an email list. And part of the proven top strategy is traffic to offer and then add people to an email list to, of course, automate it and then profit and scale. But you're still down here trying to create a super simple lead magnet and get your links approved. And on that note, right here from Kevin Fahey right now, he has what he is calling the ultimate lead magnet system. Stop chasing shiny objects, build a real online business with the ultimate lead magnet system. You can see this is important, the ultimate lead magnet system. We go back to the proven top strategy. This is what I always talk about. You need traffic, then you need to present an offer with a super simple lead magnet. This is step 2 in the proven top strategy, traffic to an offer, and then add people to an email list. It builds. You build and you layer one thing on top of the other. And to get your links approved and have a super simple lead magnet, what you can do now is you can click the link in the description and you can see here in the sales video that step 4 inside of video 3, inside of Kevin's training here, he is going to provide you a special code, and all you need to do is add that code when you request your affiliate link, and you will be automatically approved. There's a link in the description as well. It'll take you over to my bonus page, and it says here, thinking about picking up the ultimate smart lead magnet system. It's a smart move, and my bonus is going to make the product unstoppable, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you exactly how I do Warrior Plus. And part of that is my philosophy inside of Prompt PsyOps, which is using AI. In this case, I have created the Transmute protocol. It's a framework inside of my philosophy for actually attacking the emotional state, or in this case, a Prompt PsyOps framework for turning emotional friction into fast, persuasive action. So we go back and we look at what's going on Warrior Plus. You want to be able to promote. You want to get your links approved. When you click and get a request, or when you click and request to get your link, you want to get it approved. So first things first, fill out that profile. Make sure that they know you're a real person. Understand then, once this happens, you can go to affiliate offers. And you can see here, I've sorted on Kevin Fahey right here. And now you can get your links like you see here. All these are green, but I can also come here at any point and I can click request. And because of the reputation that I've built up, you can see, remember the score that we talked about as an affiliate, you must be approved by Kevin Fahey to promote this offer. The link in the description takes you over to my bonus page and you can pick up the ultimate lead magnet system and Kevin is going to automatically approve you. So then all you need to do is click request approval, fill out, use the password, and add some other notes here about who you are and a little bit about your strategy, like my proven top strategy. Click request offer. Then you'll see success. Your request has been sent to the seller. You'll be notified by email. But check this out. What happens for me now is the page refreshes and I automatically have my link approved because of the things that I've done to set myself up for success. And then of course, now you can also 100% be approved. Link in the description. Check out my bonus page about my prompt psyops philosophy framework that's going to help you as well follow my proven top strategy. But the important thing is now you will have your link. You'll also have a system, a proven system from Kevin Fahey to actually start building out those lead magnets and find success to promote those links that you now been approved for. Thanks for watching this one. If you got any questions, let me know in the comments and I'll talk to you later. Bye.